aside from my soul.
Alright gents, how's it going, man? I know it's been a while since I made a proper video, so I thought I'd hop on and make a little video for you guys. What you just saw then, that's literally what happened to me last week. Kind of winter had sort of passed, the weather was getting a bit better, and I was like, you know what, let's crack the bike open, get it out. Lo and behold, the battery died again. The thing that made it even worse was that this time I charged the battery up and it still wouldn't start, like the engine wouldn't crank over. I think it's something to do with having too much air in the fuel system or something. Anyway, I need to get it sorted. It's just annoying, man, especially when the weather's like... Well, let me show you. The weather's like... Look at this. Oh, you can't see anything. 1 second. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's what you call biking weather. It's so nice outside, but I can't ride. But anyway, yeah, I can't do much about it right now, so next week I'm going to get the bike out again, this time properly fix it up. We'll be back on the bike, make some videos, and that's what you want to see, isn't it? You want to see some more videos, because there's not been any. I think the last one was like last year, man, end of last year or beginning of this year, I don't know, man, lost track. Anyway, I'm still alive, I'm still here, we're going to do it. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe if you already haven't. Make sure you subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be shortly. Alright, make sure you hold me to account for it. In a bit, guys.